In 2024, the multifamily housing sector is evolving at an unprecedented pace, shaping the way operators approach financial sustainability. The rising tide of ancillary income through technology and service bundles is at the forefront of this transformation. Let's explore why this trend is not just surviving, but thriving. The secret sauce: enhanced tenant experiences, high-speed internet, smart home automation, and exclusive lifestyle amenities are becoming the new norm. This shift is a direct response to tenant demands for modern connected living spaces. A whopping 65% of operators are now leveraging ancillary income to meet these expectations, marking a significant pivot in operational strategies. But how do operators know what works? The beauty of this strategy lies in its flexibility. By testing different service bundles and gathering tenant feedback, operators can tailor their offerings to meet specific community needs. This iterative approach not only enhances tenant satisfaction, but also sets operators apart in a competitive landscape. The proof is in the pudding. With 61% of analyzed units incorporating fees for bundled services, it's evident that this strategy has gained widespread industry adoption. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's becoming the new standard. The drive towards ancillary income reflects a broader market evolution, spurred by tenant demands and the pursuit of higher net operating income. As we delve deeper into 2024, the importance of ancillary income in multifamily operations cannot be overstated. It's about more than just financial gains. It's about redefining the resident experience, embracing innovation, and securing a competitive edge. The future is here, and it's powered by ancillary income, promising communities where technology, convenience, and lifestyle converge seamlessly. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be at the forefront of this transformative shift.